Welcome to Print and Graphic Services instructional YouTube video. Before we get started, if you are a first-time user or need to update changes to your work location, please refer to how to set up your profile on our YouTube channel, Broward College Print and Graphic Services. There are two helpful videos prior to ordering on 3 ways to log in to Print and Graphic Services digital storefront and how to locate your work tags. Now let's get started. In today's instructional video, I will be teaching you how to add additional locations on your job ticket for shipping. This is called a multi-distribution shipment. For example, it may be one item being distributed to a different location on the campus or throughout the college. Secondly, you may be ordering for your department, but the shipment goes to another location. Now, starting from the Broward College website, we're going to log in to One Access, faculty and staff, and then you log into your credentials, your Broward College credentials. Now, once you get to the One Access page, you're going to locate the Printing and Graphic Services app. If you do not see it under Frequents, you're going to click Company Everything. Now, the apps are in alphabetical order, and you're going to search for the Print and Graphic Services app, and you're going to click on it. All righty. Now, before we get started, I want to share with you, once you have submitted your job or your quote, if you have any questions or anything inquiries regarding your submitted quote or your submitted order, you're going to go to the feedback form. And then you're going to put in your job number or your quote number and fill out all of this information and submit it to us. Okay? So please avoid calling us directly. Please complete the feedback form. Now, for our training, we're going to order a flyer. Okay? Now, I have something in my cart and I'm going to remove it for our training video. I'm going to remove this. Okay, and we're going to go back and we're going to order flyers. Now, to see the whole video about flyers, just go to our YouTube channel. Upload. Now you can save it. We have an option called Save to My Files, and you can keep this for future reference. And it'll keep it on a folder for you. Now, all of our jobs that are submitted automatically converts to a PDF. So we're going to upload. And the save file expires within 2 years. We're going to click Done. Okay. And then it's very important for you to name your job with a heading that would be easily identified if we need to research it and find it for you. So I'm just going to put in multi-distribution flyer training. And we're going to order 100, 1,000. And we're going to click Add to Cart and click the disclaimer that you agree. Okay. Now this is the part regarding the multi-distribution. Now we're going to click Proceed to checkout. Now this information comes in through your profile. So that's why it's very important that your profile is completed. Okay. With this here, select a shipment type. We keep this at default. Now this must be courier if our couriers are delivering it to the various campus. Now, if you decide that you want to pick up, then you're gonna select this. But usually it defaults at courier. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to add another recipient because I'm ordering it on behalf of my department, but it is being delivered to a different location. All righty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this and it's two selections. You're going to add new address or you're going to select it from your address book. So I'm going to add another recipient. Okay, now all of this information needs to be filled out. Even though we have these red asterisks, all the information is needed, okay? Now we're gonna let this go to Sarah Seahawk, okay? And Sarah is located on Central Campus, so we need the location for Central. So make sure you have that information prior. It's very important to have the building and the room number, the city. Of course, our country is the United States, and it's a pull down for the state, which is Florida. You're going to put in the zip code, the phone number. Please use the dashes. Our company is Broward College, and you put in your email address. Now, if there's any specific delivery instructions that is needed, for example, if it's a certain time and a certain date that you want your item delivered, you will put the delivery instructions here. Now, of course, it needs to be saved. And this, when it's saved, it goes directly into your address book. Okay, so now you see that we have two shipping locations, but it's only going to Sandra the Seahawk. So what we're going to do, Sandra order 1,000, and we're going to put the quantity here. And we're going to press this button here for it can take. Okay. And what we're going to do, we're going to remove the top recipient because that's the person ordering it. Now, what you notice, I want to show you this. What you notice, this is right here, 2,000. We don't want 2,000. We want 1,000. So once we remove this recipient, this automatically defaults to 1,000. Now, as you see, it's 1,000. And then we're going to continue to shop. Okay. And then you would use the YouTube video for all the other information, how you put in your work tags. Now we're going to put in several locations, multi-distributions that's going to go campus wide. Let's go back to the printing logo. It's in our cart. We're going to click checkout. And then we're going to go here and just click on it. Click on the multi-distribution flyer training. And we're just going to do an update. Click on update, and we're going to agree to the disclaimer. We're going to click on here again. Sorry about that. Proceed to checkout. Okay, once again, we're going to save this. Now, Sandra the Seahawk, she's still there. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to save it again, and we're going to add one more recipient. I'm just going to say one more recipient to this. And I'm going to get this from my address book. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to Sammy the Seahawk. I know Sammy is here because I added Sammy earlier. And I don't see Sammy. Okay, I don't see. Okay, so let's see, can we see it by name? Sammy. Okay, it's there. You can locate it by name. Okay, and we're gonna say okay. Alrighty, so now we have two. All right, and we're gonna save again. Okay, so now we're gonna split up the distribution here. So we're gonna give Sandra 500, and we're gonna give Sammy 500 also. And we wanna make sure. Now you're gonna click here, and you're gonna click here again. Make sure you click. Okay, so now you see it, it's 1,500 is going to Sandra the Seahawk, and then we have another 500 going to Sammy the Seahawk. And we're gonna press continue. Okay, now this concludes our instructional video on the multi-distribution shipment. And remember, your support is the foundation to our success. Thank you for watching.